Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up GitHub Actions for automated ML data pipelines, full guide step by step clearly. To set up GitHub Actions for automated ML data pipelines, start by creating a new repository on GitHub. Name your repository appropriately for your ML project. Next, clone the repository to your local machine using Git. Open your favorite code editor and navigate to the clone directory. Now, create a new directory called .github within the root of your repository. Inside the .github directory, create another directory named Workflows. In the Workflows directory, create a YAML file to define your workflow. You can name it mlpipeline.yml. Open the mlpipeline.yml file and start by defining the version of the GitHub Actions workflow. Specify the name of your workflow. A descriptive name will help identify its purpose. Next, set the on field to trigger the workflow. Common triggers include push, pull_request, or even specific schedule intervals. Define the jobs that will run as part of the workflow. For each job, specify the runs on parameter to determine the operating system environment, such as Ubuntu latest. Now, define the steps within the job. Start by checking out your repository using the actions/checkout action. Add a step to set up Python if your ML pipeline uses Python. Use the actions/setup Python action to specify the version you need. Install the necessary dependencies for your ML project, such as NumPy, Pandas, and any ML libraries like scikit-learn or TensorFlow. This can be done using the pip install command. Next, add a step to run your data pre-processing script. This script should prepare your datasets for training. You may also want to include steps for model training. Specify the command to execute your training script. If your workflow includes model evaluation, add a step to run the evaluation script and report results. To track the output data or model artifacts, make sure to include a step that uploads these using that actions/upload artifact action. Once you have defined all steps, save your changes to the mlpipeline.yml file. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.